Addressing the United Nations, Masako Wakamiya spoke of the importance of digital technology to seniors. At over 80 years old, she herself developed a game app for smartphones.
Digital skill helps seniors be independent. There is no reason why we should not benefit from this competitive advantage of computers.
Japan's aging population is discovering that digital technology skills are not just for the young. Kamikatsu, deep in the Tokushima countryside. About 1,500 people live here, and more than half of them are over 65. The old ladies of Kamikatsu are famous for their tsumamono. Tsumamono are the specially selected flowers and leaves used to decorate traditional Japanese cuisine. Kamikatsu produces over 80% of all the tsumamono used in Japan. It's a business run by elderly people, greatly assisted by digital technology. Sachio Nishikage will be 81 this year. She's been producing tsumamono for about 30 years and cultivates a wide variety of plants and flowers. Nishikage was already over 70 when she first learned to use a computer. I realized that computers, tablets and smartphones were now essential, so I decided to learn how to use them. They said you couldn't break these things, so I just pressed buttons until something happened. That's how I learned. I just kept on trying until I got it. At 8 each morning, their distributor posts a list of all current purchase orders online. It's first come, first served. Ah, too late. Another supplier got there first. The faster you can operate the computer, the more likely you are to succeed. This time I got it! Nishikage has accepted an order for irises. She immediately heads out to gather the flowers. She selects stems that have buds at the required stage of development. Even while she's out gathering flowers, Nishikage constantly checks her smartphone for incoming orders. Back home, she removes surplus leaves before shipping the order of flowers. At the restaurant, the dark purple irises will set off the appearance of a grilled fish. Nishikage also enjoys using social media, which has let her make friends around the world. She likes to post photos of her latest tsumamono and of the local scenery. I hope to be able to keep doing this job until I'm 100 at least. Kamikatsu's newest plan is to use drones to deliver their tsumamono. Thanks to technology, it's never been easier for seniors to operate businesses like this. The old ladies of Kamikatsu, using digital skills to enhance life in the countryside, are a sign of the future for Japan's seniors.